This is a 2009 Chevrolet Silverado 2500. Whether hauling, commuting, or towing, this truck is the right one for you. It features a 6.0-liter 8-cylinder engine, an automatic transmission, and 4-wheel drive. Its top features include a navigation system, a low-tire pressure indicator, a DVD player, XM satellite radio, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: air conditioning with automatic climate control, dual cargo area lights, a 6-speaker audio system, variable valve timing, a passenger side vanity mirror, OnStar, an anti-lock braking system, a passenger side airbag, an unattended headlight warning chime, and this vehicle has fewer than 37,000 miles on the odometer. This Chevrolet has had only one owner, and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. This automobile won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.